shit, honestly.
Alright, welcome back to Island Trooper 4x4. This one's for Dave S. This is the cheap Chinese PaceSetter header. Stainless steel, Chinese on top. This is the ceramic coated version from PaceSetter in the US. And Dave's request here is to have a quick video comparing these collector pipes and the upswept angle. And it is looking like a bit of a concern at this point. Of course, the proof is in the pudding, so I'm going to not really do too long of a video here. I'm just going to quickly get this stainless steel ready to install with a 4ZE1 into the old gold label Trooper. So we're going to find out whether it hits the floor pan underneath or not. But I mean, you can see right away here there's a pretty big measurable difference in between these two center pipes. The PaceSetter is much tighter. Of course, you know, one of the first things you're going to notice between these two headers is I pick up the stainless steel, and it's a featherweight compared to this PaceSetter. This PaceSetter's got you know, she's got a little girth to her. Gravity's a little more substantial with the PaceSetter. So I'm hoping like the dickens that this stainless steel is not going to crack, and that it's going to be able to handle the heat load. I could get the gaskets out and just kind of mock bolt it together here right now, but you know, I think it's a really warm day, and the video says 1,000 words right there, doesn't it? I mean, just take a look at the angles here on the PaceSetter lower section to the 4-in-1 collector, and you're going to see that, you know, right there, bit of a difference between the manufacturing. It's a very close header, this one, but this stem here, obviously a little bit longer, right? Come back to the PaceSetter here. Just working off of the old carpet here today. Got the benches loaded, shop is overrun, and I am a very busy boy, so I hope that helps. I think you are correct. I'm going to be really pissed off if I get it, you know, if I get that installed and it hits the floor. Man, especially, you know, like bending the collector, not such a problem. Yeah, if that header's got the wrong angle altogether. I could do a little more to compare them, but I think, you know, just off a first glance, you can see a major difference. I hope that helps. So, yeah, take your chances with these eBay guys, because, I don't know, pretty sexy looking package for the price, but let's see if it actually fits proper. Alright, I'll show you when the rebuild's done.